Hello and welcome to the first of hopefully many tutorials on Visual Basics. I'll be using Visual Basics 2010 Express Edition for this tutorial, but most Visual Basics editions will work with the code. Okay, first open your Visual Basics and click New Project. This is a console tutorial, so we'll be using a console application, so double click on it. Okay, so when it's loaded, you should see something similar to this. The first program we're going to write is a Hello World program. So if you type in console.writeLine, then we type in Hello World. It doesn't actually matter what you type in. You can replace Hello World with anything you like and it will come up. Now to run the code, press the F5 key. Now as you may or may not have seen, Hello World was in the console, but because we haven't stopped the console from finishing, it finished right away. So now if you add console.writeLine again, then if you want you can press any key to continue, but this line of code is only, you'll see what this line of code does. Then console.read key. Now it's important that you type in read key, because now if we run the code we get Hello World, press any key to continue, and now if we press a key the console will close. So I'm going to press J. There you go, and the console closes. Right, now to explain the code. The console.writeLine. Now the dot says that whatever comes after the dot is part of what's before the dot. So console, now we're going to write line in the console, and then what the line that we're writing is Hello World. So I think this is quite self-explanatory, that if you want something to appear you'll write console.writeLine and then you'll put it in a similar format. Now if you don't want it to start a new line when you're writing it, you can always put console.write. And what that'll do is if we just put man, then when we run the code, a man is before press any key to continue. So rather than press any key to continue to start on a new line, it hasn't started on a new line. Anyway, that concludes tutorial 1 part 1. Highlands Productions apologises for the bad quality of this video, and we promise that future tutorials will be in higher quality. This video will not be followed by a series as hinted at by the part 1, lesson 1. We apologise for this, and the series will come later, but part 1 will be remade.